After Effects Trapcode Particular Rain tutorial. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by opening the Windows search bar and typing After Effects. Then launch the program once it shows up. After it loads, select New Composition to create a fresh workspace for the effect. When the composition opens, go to the timeline, right-click, and a menu will appear. Choose New from the menu, then select Solid. A window will pop up where you can choose a color for the solid, so set it to black and confirm the selection. This solid layer will act as the base for the rain effect. Once the solid is ready, go to the Effects and Presets panel on the right side of the screen and use the search bar to look for Particular. After you find Trapcode Particular in the list, click and drag it onto the black solid layer to apply the effect. The Effect Controls panel will now display the settings for Particular. Start by setting the emitter type to point so the particles fall from a single straight line. Then adjust the particles per second value based on how dense you want the rain to look. A higher number will give you heavier rain, while a lower number gives a lighter effect. After that, set the position XY so the emitter sits above your composition, which makes the particles fall down naturally like rain. Now open the Emission Extras section and set the pre-run value to 100. This helps the rain appear fully formed as soon as the playback starts, instead of waiting for the particles to build up. Once that is done, move to the Physics section and change the physics model to air. This makes the particles react more naturally, similar to how rain behaves in real life. Set the gravity value to 140 to make the particles fall downward at a consistent speed. Adjust the velocity next, setting it to whatever speed fits the style of rain you want, whether slow and soft or fast and intense. After setting the motion, open the particle section to adjust the size of each raindrop. You can make the particles small for a fine rain effect or slightly larger for a more stylized look. Continue experimenting with the size until it matches the mood you want.